Hey everyone, what's cooking? And if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button and turn on all notifications. Today we're going to be doing something a little different from the ordinary. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. I've recently bought some additional cameras and equipment from B&H so that I can continue bringing you high quality videos for your enjoyment. As you can see, this is a lovely brown box with security tape, and what we're going to do is we're going to open this. Firstly, we have a handheld rig, 2 hands, 2 screws for attachments, and then the cell phone will go in the middle. An additional LED light for the cameras from Godox, with a handheld camera rig, small Godox light camera. I use a cell phone to shoot a lot of the close footage. There we go, lovely little LED lights for the cell phone. Let's see where it switches on. There you go. And a really cool, nifty little camera. That wee little camera in there is what I'm going to be using for close-up shots in future. Now we've got the Polaroid Cube. As you can see, this is quite a cute little thing. It's literally about 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters cubed. Comes with a video camera, USB charger, micro SD card, bumper case. So let's open this. This seems like fun. Wow, that is small. Magnetic. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. A little carry case. Nifty. It probably pops in like that. Okay, it's elasticated. Lanyard. What else is there? I think it's in it. There we go. 8 GB Polaroid SD card and charging cables. And then of course, every video needs good quality sound. We have the Zoom F1, which is a lapel recorder. This will give better quality sound recording while we are doing the videos. Little processing units, cables for the actual microphone, the microphone holder, and then the belt clip. Batteries included. And this is what we're looking for. The Osmo Action camera from DJI. We're going to see what's in the box. Oh wow. This is neat. This must be the battery, the housing. instruction manual. battery. There we go, the battery with a space for a micro SD card. The foot to attach the camera to, docking cables, GoPro style foot, and then the camera itself. Wow, that's neat. That's small. I look forward to using this. A little screen in the front, a screen at the back, and then a housing to mount it to the tripod. So this is what the camera footage looks using the old equipment. And this is what the picture looks like with the new equipment. A wider angle from the front, different angles from the side and different camera views. My cameraman has a new rig with a mounted microphone and light, and we hope to bring you many more videos with improved footage. If you haven't done it already, remember to smash that like button, hit the subscribe and turn on all notifications. We look forward to seeing you soon.